Welcome, children. Welcome to this class. Today we are going to learn a prose. The prose name is When the Trees Walked. This prose has been written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is a contemporary author. He is an Indian born but British descent. He has written many children's books. This lesson has been authored by Ruskin Bond. So, in this lesson, we are going to learn about trees and the bond between trees and the human beings. The lesson When the Trees Walked. It is a personification because the tree cannot walk, but the author has named the title as The Tree is Walking. So it's a personified, even the title is personified. Let's get into the lesson. Trees, there are more trees around us. We all know some trees names, but many trees names we don't know at times. But as a student, you should know the names of all trees, both Tamil and English. I'm going to introduce you some trees names both in Tamil and English. Alamaram, it's called in English banyan tree. Pakumaram, aricona tree. Velamaram, bapul tree. Mungil maram, bamboo tree. Malai vembu, bead tree. Ilandai maram, bir tree. Arasa maram, people tree. Tennai maram, coconut tree. Panai maram, palm tree. Palamaram, jack tree. Mamaram, mango tree. Valai maram, plantain tree. Vepa maram, neem tree. Puvarsamaram, posia tree. So now we have learnt the names of trees both in Tamil and English. Okay, trees. Trees are very very useful to us. It gives fruits and it gives a good air and it purifies the air. Air is very very important to us. So now during this pandemic situation, so we want to breathe a good air. So still now we are breathing good air only because of the trees. The trees are the natural purifiers which purifies the air beautifully. And then the trees gives us fruits, so many fruits we are having seeing and eating every day in our life. It is because of the forest and it is because of the trees which are grown in the forest. So without trees we can't eat fruits. And then during summertime we remember trees because it gives us good shade. Okay, so like this I can extend my list of the uses of trees, the benefits of trees. Okay, let's get into the lesson once again. In this lesson, the lesson name When the Trees Walked. In this lesson, the author sits with his grandfather out of the house. See, outside the house there is a garden. See, a tree is there. So nearby grandfather there is a plant. It is called creepers. That spring like thing you could see here. It's like a spring. This spring is called tendril. Okay, so nearby grandfather's foot, tendril is coming close. Okay, that creeper, the plant, that vine, the vine of the creeper coming close to the grandfather. The author says the creeper, especially the plants, like grandfather very much because the grandfather daily moving with the plants, daily talking to the plants, communicating with the plants, taking care of the plants. So that's why creepers and plants and flowers love the grandfather. That's why the plants wants to come close towards the grandfather. This is what the author thinks. Okay, next you could see here, it's a mango tree over there, and this is a people tree over there, and you could see a this way goes to a forest. Okay, this lesson takes place in a in a place called Dehradun. Dehradun is the capital of the Indian state Uttarakhand. Okay, let's go into the prose lines. One morning, the author and the grandfather they sit together outside the house and near the garden. One morning, when I was sitting beside grandfather on a veranda steps, I noticed a tendril of creeping vine trailing nearby. Tendril means that spiral thing, the spiral plant, the spiral stem of a plant is called tendril. So, which is creeping towards grandfather. As we sat there in a soft sunshine of North Indian winter, I saw the tendril moving slowly towards grandfather. So when we here means author and the grandfather, when they were both were sitting under the sunshine during the winter time, the author felt a tendril, that spiral, the stem which is coming moving close to the grandfather. 20 minutes later, it has crossed the step and was touching his feet. One thing, the plants are alive, they grow minute by minute. So after 20 minutes later, the creeper has grown and touched the grandfather's feet. This is probably a scientific explanation for plants' behavior, something to do with light and warmth, perhaps. Your science students, you know very well that why the plants are growing, how it is growing, with the help of what? With the help of sunlight, with the help of sunlight, and it is growing. You all know already. Science in science, you might have read about this, but I like to think it moved across the steps because it wanted to be near grandfather. One always felt like drawing close to him. So author says that one creeper, that plant and the kodi chedi irukku illaya, one plant it wants to come very close to grandfather. Sometimes when I sat by myself beneath a tree, I would feel rather lonely, but as the author small boy, when I sit under a tree sometimes I will feel very lonely. Lonely means tanime. Okay, I will feel very lonely. But as soon as grandfather joined me, but after grandfather come and sit with, the garden became a happy place, because the garden is like a heaven, in which the grandfather grows trees, plants, and the grandfather take care of the trees and plants very well. So that's why, like pet animals, even trees and plants, after seeing grandfather, it becomes very happy. This is what the author feels. Grandfather had served many years in Indian Forest Service. It was natural that he should know trees and like them. On his retirement, he built a bungalow on the outskirts of Dehradun, planting trees all round: lime tree, mango tree, orange tree, guava tree, and eucalyptus, and jacaranda and Persian ilex. In the fertile Doom Valley, plants and trees grew tall and strong. Okay, in the fertile means like full, able to produce a lot of plants and crops. The soil is fertile. We say soil is fertile, which means which is very protective. All the nutritions are there in the soil, so it is able to produce anything. So that's why fertile, well developing. The fertile Doom Valley, plants and trees grew tall and strong. So in this fertile land, all trees, all plants have grown well, strong and tall. There were other trees in compound before the house was built, including and people that had forced its way through the walls of an abandoned outhouse. So in this picture, the grandfather and Arthur is sitting outside. No, so in the but before the house was built, there was a old papal tree which had gone through the walls of abandoned outskirts and knocking the bricks down with its vigorous. Vigorous means healthy and strong. People trees. People means arasamaram. People trees are great show offs. So show offs means it will be very very attractive even when there is no breeze. Even there is no air, the people trees broad chested and slim breasted leaves. The leaves will be very slim but the trunk will be very broad, and the leaves it will spin like a top means pambaram, so it will determine to attract your attention and invite you into the shade. So when you look at the arasamaram during that summer time, it will invite you to come and sit under the shade. Then but grandmother had wanted the people tree cut down because father had said, but grandfather had said let it be, we can always build another house, another outhouse. But see, only plant lovers only will know the feeling of plants, but grandmother, she's not very concerned about the trees. She wanted to build a house, new house, so that's why she urged the grandfather to cut down, to cut the people tree. So they cut the people tree. So now they are remembering, if the people tree had been there, it would have given a good shade to the whole family. The grandfather did not mind trees, but grandmother did not mind trees. She preferred growing flowers and was constantly ordering catalogs and seeds. So, grandfather, mother, she did not mind growing trees. She likes to grow only the flowers. Okay. So grandfather, even grandfather, he would help grandmother with the gardening work, not because he's crazy about flower gardens, but because he liked watching butterflies coming there and flying in the garden. Okay, butterfly is the attractive butterflies are attracted by the flowers. This is the only one way to attract butterflies. What is the only one way to attract the butterflies? Growing flowers in the garden. That is to grow flowers for them. We have to grow flowers for them.